Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best pan for steak. So let's get started. Number 7. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron. The 10.25-inch pre-seasoned cast iron fry pan from Lodge is built to last. Its solid cast iron construction is ideal for use on top of the stove or in the oven for frying, sautéing, searing, braising, and baking. While the pan is pre-seasoned, the seasoning isn't optimal, so if you don't want your juicy steaks sticking and burning, it's a good idea to run through a few more cycles of seasoning before use. However, Lodge's seasoning uses 100% vegetable oil, so it's vegan-friendly, and the cast iron base won't leach any unpleasant toxins into your food. When properly maintained, cleaning the Lodge 10.25-inch pre-seasoned skillet is relatively straightforward. Lodge recommends washing the skillet by hand using very light dish soap, or no soap at all, so you don't destroy the coat of seasoning. Re-season your pan regularly for optimal use. Number 6. T-fal Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron. The T-fal Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Frying Pan has all the hallmarks and capabilities of a decent piece of cast iron cookware for an incredibly low price point. It can cook all the same foods in similar genres as does the Lodge cast iron skillet, but T-fal's pan is larger and less expensive. It's functional on all types of stoves and cookers and can be used in the oven up to 600 F. While the pan is heavier than its closest rivals, T-fal tried to offset the heft with an extra long handle with thumb rest, an easy grip helper handle, and pour spouts on either side. The pan is PFOA and cadmium-free. We have already talked about the importance of seasoning, and it is even more prevalent with the T-fal pre-seasoned 12-inch cast iron fry pan, as many consumers have struggled with food sticking to the base when first using it for cooking food. Number 5. Mineral Bicarbon Steel. De Beyer's Mineral Bicarbon Steel pan is both functional and healthy to use. The pan is PFOA and PTFE free, so that it won't contaminate your food with nasty toxins. It's also made from 99% iron and is 100% natural. This pan does require seasoning, though you will need to remove that wax coating that covers the cookware first. Multiple consumers have expressed concerns regarding how much of a challenge it is to remove the wax. The manufacturer has a set of specific guidelines for optimal seasoning of your carbon steel pan, which includes beeswax to help with seasoning and a very gentle cleaning regimen. The Mineral Bee frying pan excels at cooking steak thanks to its ability to reach high temperatures very quickly while simultaneously distributing and retaining heat, which helps preserve food's vitamins and minerals. Number 4. Lodge Carbon Steel Seasoned. Lodge's carbon steel pan can withstand exceedingly high temperatures, which is essential for searing and browning meat, the perfect conditions for cooking juicy steak. The pan's thickness ensures it heats up quickly, without negatively impacting heat retention. Its sturdy construction is designed for use on all stoves and cooker styles and functions well at both high and low heat. However, it is a little heavier than competing carbon steel pans. As with most seasoned cookware, we recommend a couple of your own seasoning cycles before use for optimal nonstick properties. Number 3. All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel. The All-Clad Stainless Steel D3 frying pan is a 3-ply construction with a stainless steel outer layer and inner layer surrounding a central aluminum core. It has a decent capacity and good for searing a couple of medium-sized steaks. All-Clad produces this pan in the USA from American-sourced materials, so the quality is excellent. This pan is designed for use with any style stove or cooker, and like the made-in frying pan, it can be used for cooking in the oven up to 600 F so you can cook your steak to perfection. There are a couple of drawbacks to this piece of cookware, as several consumers report the pan's base can warp over time, and despite its smooth cooking surface, it can still be challenging to clean. Number 2. Le Creuset Toughened Nonstick. This 28 cm grill pan from Le Creuset is a high-quality square steak pan made from hard anodized aluminum and stainless steel. Le Creuset are known for their quality cookware items that last a lifetime and look gorgeous too. This grill pan lives up to Le Creuset's reputation and performs superbly when cooking steak, other meat and fish, burgers, sausages, and so on. This pan isn't cheap, but it offers good value for money in the long run. It's a heavy-duty pan that's built to last. You can even pass it down to the next generation of steak lovers. Number 1. ProCook Cast Iron Griddle Pan. This cast iron griddle pan from ProCook releases heat evenly and steadily thanks to its heavy construction. It is great for all grilling tasks because of this. Thanks to the deep ridges, you can also get lovely grill marks and ensure that any fat drains away from the meat for a healthy, yet tasty steak. This cast iron pan looks excellent too. The handle and the outside of the pan are coated with enamel, giving a lovely look. However, the inside of the pan is also coated with tough enamel. This means that the pan is protected from rust and is easy to clean. Plus, the coating also means that this cast iron pan doesn't need to be seasoned. So, you can enjoy the excellent heat distribution of cast iron without the headache of maintaining the seasoning. Plus, this pan is perfect for any hob type. It is oven safe and can be used on the barbecue too.